Hey everyone, welcome back to Go Kick Me, your favorite crowdfunding news and reviews channel here on YouTube. So, first I want to say Gong Hei Fat Choi, Gong Shi Fa Cai. It is actually Chinese New Year. I'm in Hong Kong, so this whole weekend and next week is basically a holiday, which is why I didn't do a Fraud Back Friday video yesterday. So, please excuse, I'm on vacation technically. Actually, no, I'm actually working. But anyway, I got one for you today, and I will be traveling the next couple weeks, but I will try to keep up with the videos while I can. So anyway, let's get to it. Today is a throwback, so what are we going to call it? Sunday? We'll call it Super Late Campaign Sunday. I don't know. Is that a bad name? I guess I'll never do another one anyway. So anyway, so today we're doing the Tamo Smart Ring, connectivity at your fingertips. So this is actually a project that ended in 2014. It was supposed to deliver in 2015. It is now 2018, and it has never shown up. As you can see, they raised a very modest amount, $41,000, so I can imagine why it didn't happen. This is basically it's just like a smartwatch. It's a ring that can show notifications. And it's supposed to have a screen on it, and I guess it vibrates or whatever. It's not really too much of a point in going through it because it basically never happened. But let's just quickly skip through the video a little bit.
Who is trying to reach you and what you need going on? The MOTA Smart Ring.
So yeah, it's like
using what's right in front of you.
You can sort of swipe it, I guess. I don't know.
It's a very natural way to see who's trying to
ready to tackle this project head on.
So look, they got a whole team. How many people's that? That's like a bunch of people, very eager to deliver. It's waterproof, all that stuff.
About it, you're already looking at your hands most of the day, whether it's driving, typing, or writing. Being able to know exactly what's going on with your smartphone at all times without being rude if you're in a conversation.
Look, they got a warehouse full of stuff. They must be real. They got their logo on one of the boxes. On one of the boxes. So anyway, I guess it could be a pretty decent product. It could have been a decent product. Their pricing wasn't too bad. $60 for the early bird, $75 for the late bird. And they had all this press coverage. Ooh, look at all that stuff. So yeah, I guess it ended on November 9th, 2014. And so the question is, like, is it a good product? Personally, I'm sure one of the things is that it probably got destroyed once, the Apple Watch and other things came out like that. I mean, there were already smartwatches by the time this was happening, but what was it? I think it was spring 2015, the Apple Watch was announced. So if it was me, I would want my money back because the watch is so much better than the ring. Because this thing's not even a really small ring. So you gotta ride your bike with this gigantic ring on it and then pick up your hand every time. Watch just seems like a much better idea, personally, as an Apple Watch owner. So anyway, so that's the first thing. As a product, if they could have got it out to market, I guess the people who paid the $60 probably would have been relatively happy with it. So let's see what happened. So we got all kinds of updates through 2016. Let's see what they said back then. So this is basically 2 years. Oh, you can't see it because you're... yeah, so they're hiding stuff if you're not a backer, but no need to worry because we can go here and up to 2 days ago. 4 days, 3+ years after it ended the crowdfunding, and 2.5+ years after it was supposed to have been delivered. Still people asking for refunds. These are always the fun one. Silence is infuriating, absolutely unacceptable. And when the backers not take a gift card reward, so they're trying to bribe people into not suing them. I don't know what they're doing. But clearly a lot of people not happy. So they actually have a website as well. I tried to find out, okay, what happened to the Tamo MOTA thing. And so they actually have a website for the Ring 2, which seems to be somewhat up to date, but it says pre-orders soon. So they clearly made this thing a long time ago. It's the same graphics, sort of not desktop optimized, obviously. But yeah, this thing is kind of dead. They do apparently sell other junk, though. They have a battery case and some other things they sell here. But this page hasn't even been updated since 2016. So, yeah, this is our friends at MOTA. Now they're doing, get this, they're doing blockchain. So yeah, they're just sort of all over the. Oh, now they're investing. MOTA Group files for IPO. Wow. They're selling drones. They're doing all kinds of stuff. So let's dig a little further. So anyway, going back to this guy, I dug a little bit deeper. It turns out they have a YouTube channel, and it literally was updated like yesterday. So they're doing road shows. They're trying to do an IPO. Apparently, they're going to, some of this stuff was like, they're doing blockchain shit. They're speaking on some panels or something. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. So they actually have come out with some other products. So I actually dug a little further, and on Kickstarter, they've actually done 4 campaigns. And they've, I guess, donated some. So they've had, some are hypothetically, successful. Hypothetically. So, this one got canceled. This one we know never delivered. This one was a wireless charger for GoPro. So I'm guessing it's a case with a inductance charger or something like that. Let's see if this thing came out. This thing got 23,000. That's not enough, clearly. Let's see if this one delivered. Still haven't received my GoPro. Oh, wait, this guy got it. Okay, so this guy's just sort of happy. But clearly a lot of unhappy people. Okay, and this is from, some of the problems is it doesn't give the year on this. So this one was also from 2015. So this was basically running in parallel. Let's see if it says when. Yeah, basically like before anyone would have known whether the ring was going to happen or not, they would have had to put in money for this thing. So that's a good way to scam people. It's just don't deliver on either. So this one apparently has come out, but that doesn't look like, if I had to guess, it looks like something you could probably buy online, and they just put their logo on it, if I had to guess. Let's keep looking. Here we have another one which is pretty funny. This is a micro drone. And this one, if you go through to the comments, they get pretty brutal. Like, probably a good product, shitty service, power to the backer. So the key thing with this one is funding suspended. I think this is from 2016. So basically Kickstarter slammed them for something. And these guys claim, no, we're legit. 13 years doing business. I guess they are. They're still in business now, so it's going on 15 years with their IPO and all this bullshit. So their defense is, look, we are a legitimate company. Look how many conferences and stuff that we talk about, and look how many news articles we get, which just means they spent money on PR, I guess. So lots of complaints from people, and I guess this is around the time that it was frozen. And so people are not happy. I just reported them, etc., etc. IGG is where shitty products are marketed to gullible backers. That is why I jumped all over them here. So what a bunch of scammers. Yada, yada, yada. So these people just paid $1, or this one person, just so they could write a complaint on the comment section. So they're pissed off. So basically what people have done is that they are pointing out, these are the same scammers with the ring that never got delivered, and also this one. So this one claims to have raised $13,000 before it got suspended. But then this guy pointed out that it was probably all fake contributions. Like, they used anonymous accounts or bots or whatever, and to try to make it look like it's really going. So we've seen this a lot. Campaigns that, start at like, they sell out, they reach 100% in like 5 minutes, and they use that as a way to show how successful they are, and don't you want to jump on board, and it's a sure thing now, etc., etc. So this guy specifically mentions that, and also the smart ring that never existed. And apparently Indiegogo was not as rigorous as Kickstarter. So Kickstarter in this case did the right job and got them slammed. So they did try to respond to things. These guys actually pointed out, though, I don't know if this is all different people, but dude, the fucking same product is already available. This is, literally it's the same. Let's see what this thing looks. Literally it's the same exact thing. It's like this little case. The case, the controller is the case. And it looks exactly like, almost exactly, not exactly, but almost exactly the same as that one. So the question is, and they try to claim, oh, no, ours is different because we were at CES. We, just because we paid for a booth at CES, that means ours is inherently better. You're welcome to buy the copycats, but it won't be the same. Yeah, but the copycat, you can actually buy it and get it, not this one. So, yeah, another one down, in this case busted because it's, I guess they wore out their welcome with Kickstarter. So, moral of the story is, again, search it, see if you can buy it online, or see if this thing is already on sale in China. This is the one geekbuying.com, but there's also ones on Alibaba, AliExpress and stuff. So, yeah, research what these guys have done in the past. If anything, research the background of the founders. If there's not a face and a first and last name, I'm talking to you, Glenn, and Vincent from Sonic's Oak. If you don't put your last name on it, it's probably because you're trying to hide. Even if they do put their last name on it, check and see what they've done before, if anything, because it's easy to just make a new company name, pretend like, cut yourself away from any bad campaigns that you scam people out of before, and then try to do it again and again and again. So there's a lot of these scam artists, and I wouldn't all call them scam artists. Like, I don't know if these guys are scam artists. They're just really shitty at doing crowdfunding. Because look at this. It's like the pledging just amounts are pretty pathetic, right? So there's no way that you could bring this product to market for $40-something thousand. Like, they should have just canceled it. They should have pulled one of these and just canceled it. How are you supposed to develop this kind of product? This would need to do a good job and develop a good app. You need hundreds of thousands of dollars. So unless they had investment already, in which case they should have gotten it, they should have put it out already. So, yeah, I don't even know what they have as far as their background. But clearly, it's not good. Yeah. They don't even have the guy's name here. The guy in the videos. So anyway, that's my spiel on the Tamo Smart Ring. Good case of check your shit out before you put money out, because it's, at least this $41,000, no one ever saw it again, right? I guess some people got gift cards maybe. Yeah, so learn your lesson the easy way or learn your lesson the hard way. Okay, so that's it for today from Go Kick Me. Again, happy Chinese New Year to all of you celebrating Lunar New Year, and I will see you guys soon. Check us out on Twitter and Facebook at Go Kick Me, and leave comments. And if you have suggestions for other projects, definitely let us know in the comments section, because I love getting submissions. You guys know a lot of stuff that I don't see, so pass it around, and we can all learn and enjoy and make fun of the good and the bad. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.